In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on nearby sharing on Windows 11. Nearby sharing lets you quickly send files, photos, and links to nearby PCs without a cable, an email, or a cloud upload. It uses Bluetooth to discover devices and your local Wi-Fi to move the data, so it's fast, convenient, and built right into Windows. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I together. You'll see the Settings window open. If you prefer clicking, you can also open the Start menu and choose Settings, but the shortcut is usually faster. Inside Settings, look to the left panel and choose System. System is where Windows groups core features that affect your device, including nearby sharing. Once you're on the System page, find and select Nearby Sharing. If you don't spot it immediately, use the search box at the top of the Settings window and type Nearby Sharing to jump straight to it. On the Nearby Sharing page, choose who can share with you. Select Everyone Nearby if you want any nearby Windows device to discover your PC for sharing. This is handy in classrooms, offices, or when collaborating with others. If you prefer more privacy, choose My Devices Only, which limits sharing to PCs you own that are signed in with the same Microsoft account. You can change this setting anytime, so it's fine to pick Everyone Nearby while you're actively sharing and switch back later. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Bluetooth handles the discovery part, so if it's off, your device won't show up to others. A quick way to confirm is to open Quick Settings by clicking the network, volume, or battery icons in the taskbar and checking that Bluetooth is highlighted. You can also verify it in Settings under Bluetooth and Devices. Leave it on while you're sharing. Also confirm that Wi-Fi is turned on. Wi-Fi carries the actual file transfer for speed and reliability. In Quick Settings, ensure Wi-Fi is enabled and connected, or check under Network and Internet in Settings. If you're on a metered or limited connection, keep an eye on transfer sizes, as large files will use your local network. To finish, close the Settings window. Changes apply immediately, so there's nothing extra to save. From now on, when you use the Share button in apps or right-click a file and choose Share, your nearby devices will appear if they've also enabled nearby sharing. That's all it takes to turn it on and get ready to send files the easy way.